Hey, I'm Joe Connolly. Just like we talk about every day on the radio on WCBS, every industry is changing. And with me today is Tom Magee, Con Edison's general manager of their advanced metering infrastructure team.
The Smart Meter program is an example of how Con Edison is leveraging technology. With the program itself, customers will actually be able to see their consumption and power over the previous hour, what they've actually used. And they can actually elect to get alerts if their usage is more for that month than they originally anticipated. So before the bill actually comes to the customers can actually get an alert and actually take corrective action to reduce consumption so they don't have a high bill. The other thing is when a customer is out of power, we will get a notification, and that should help us restore that customer's power quicker. At our peak, we're expected to install about 5,000 meters a day.